Okay, now that you've moved into your own apartment, the first thing you need to do is keep things clean, especially in the kitchen. What are those things that you're going to need? Have you ever noticed when you go to the bathroom in a restaurant, there's a sign that says employees must wash their hands? Well, it's not just for the employees, everybody should wash their hands. In your kitchen, you're going to have some basic stuff. Let me tell you what those things are. The number one thing you're going to need is some kind of a hand soap. You have to constantly wash your hands. You touch raw meat, you wash your hands. Before you touch raw meat, you wash your hands. You need to wash your hands when you walk into the apartment. You need to wash your hands every time you cut something with a knife. It's essential for you to do that. Once you wash your hands, what do you have to do? You need to dry your hands. What do you use? Dishcloths. You can't have enough dishcloths. You have to have a stack of them sitting in a drawer. I mean, you can use these types of paper towels, but that could really get expensive after a while. Next thing you need is something to clean your dishes with, a sponge and some dishwashing liquid. These are essential for a kitchen sink, and you have to have them. There's no discussion. You understand what I'm saying? So always wash your hands.